Dear students, in this episode we shall now learn about computer cartography, starting with what is cartography. Also, we shall cover map properties, basic map components which will include title, map scales, grid, general purpose map, thematic maps, population map, language map, resource map, ethnicity, climate map, highway, road map, vegetation map and cartography as map making tool, and digital computer cartography. Computer cartography. Introduction. Geographers ask the following questions. What are different places like? How do places change over time? How do people change and use the world around them? How do people adapt to the world around them? In order to answer geographical questions and apply the 5 themes of geography, geographers do the following. Collect information or data. For example, they might conduct a census, a systematic counting of a population, and use data collected by computers or satellites to create remote sensing images, method by which aeroplanes and satellites can produce photographs or computer generated images of sections of the Earth's surface. Analyze information to look for patterns and possible causes and consequences of gathered information. Display information in order to share findings with other people. To do this, they often use maps and globes, diagrams, tables, and graphs. Globes and maps are the 2 basic tools of geographers because they are the most useful models of the Earth. However, they are not perfect and each has specific advantages and disadvantages. What is cartography? Cartography is the art, science, and technology of making maps. Cartography was used as early as 23rd century BC in Babylon. In this technique of map making, the artist has to manually draw the map using hand tools, thus making it a time consuming and also difficult method of geographic representation. Graphic representation of the geographical settings can be called as a map. Cartography is the making and study of maps in all their aspects. Cartography is an important branch of graphic science. It is an extremely efficient way of manipulating, analyzing, and expressing ideas and forms, and also relationships that occur in 2 and 3-dimensional space. In the broad sense, cartography includes any activity in which the presentation and use of maps is a matter of basic concern. This includes teaching the skills of map use, studying the history of cartography, and maintaining map collection with associated cataloging and bibliographic activities. It also includes collection, collation, and manipulation of data and the design and preparation of maps, charts, plans, and atlases. A cartographer must be familiar with all mapping activities, including those associated with other mapping science, that is geodesy, surveying, photogrammetry, remote sensing, and GIS. A cartographer is a person who is involved in making map using cartographic instruments. A skilled cartographer must also know a great deal about human thought and communication, and also the disciplines associated with the environmental features being mapped. It takes knowledge, skills and experience to express in map form the essential characteristics of environmental data.